No. We gotta move.
Talk to me.
He came back.
Who? Benny?
The older one, but he's not alone. We just gotta get to my car.
Had to be her.
Bed's still warm.
Can't be far. Go.
What about the girl?
Don't hurt her. Understood?
My keys. I left them in the office. I'll be right back.
Damn it. You just don't understand the gravity of the situation.
Look, I don't know you, and I don't want to know you. Just let us go.
Us?
I won't say anything, I promise.
Where is he?
Come on!
No.
Okay, go!
Are they coming?
No, we're clear. Whoa!